This opposite side. This side is called adjacent side. This is called hypotenuse. If for our convenience, if you want to give some name, you can also give the name. That is O, A, B. We are giving the name. Now we have to see the trigonometric ratios here. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta values. How to get it? Okay. For this one, we have a small logic to remember. This is just for understanding the trick we are giving. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole. If you remember this logic now, you can easily find out any trigonometric ratio. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole. We use in adjacent, we can say this is a again base. For hypotenuse, for opposite side, we can say that it is height, base, height, and this is not height, this is perpendicular side. This is P and H. This is the short form we are giving, B, P, H. Now, if you want to find out trigonometric first ratio, sin theta value, opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse is the formula. Opposite is P upon H. Okay, and also we say that it is opposite side by hypotenuse. Similarly, if you want cos theta, that is adjacent side, base upon hypotenuse, which is also called adjacent side upon hypotenuse. And if you want tan theta is equal to, this is the formula, sin theta by cos theta. Here sin theta value is, you can see, opposite by hypotenuse divided by cos theta value is adjacent by hypotenuse. This hypotenuse cancel. We get our answer is opposite by adjacent. It is the value of tan theta. Sin, cos, tan, and rest of them are reciprocal ratios. That reciprocal ratios also we write here. This sin का opposite होता cosecant theta, and the value of cosecant theta will be reverse of this, means hypotenuse by opposite. And secant theta we are using, that is the reciprocal of cos theta. It is hypotenuse by adjacent. And here we are taking the reciprocal cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of this, means adjacent by opposite. Just look at once, एक बार अच्छे से देख लीजिए आप. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta की values को एक बार look at once. Go through this concept will be complete in our discussion. Today's discussion This concept only repeated everywhere. Opposite by
Okay, sir.
hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay, like that. Tan theta value is opposite by adjacent. Okay, and
Okay.
remaining first this pink color are the original ratios and these red colors are their reciprocals. Okay,
Yes. Okay.
एंड ये जो लॉजिक आपको मैं अभी बता रहा था, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले, लुक एट दिस, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर भोले, सोना चांदी तोले, in shortcut remember, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले, सोना चांदी तोले. See, sign is starting with s now. Sign is starting with s now.
Yes, sir.
So this is p upon h is the formula for sine. Sine theta is equal to p upon h. P upon h. Here also same I wrote. Opposite by hypotenuse. P stands for perpendicular side, this opposite side, and h is for hypotenuse. Now see, first value we see, so Chandi will means cos theta. This ratio. V upon h. See, V upon h. And tan theta. Tangent, tan. This ratio. P upon V. So here I forget to write. No problem. Directly you can write P upon V. Opposite upon adjacent. So P upon V. So remember this logic. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole, Sona Chandi Tole. If you remember this logic, you can easily find out sine, cos, tan values. PH, P upon H, this one P upon H, B upon H, this is P upon B. This is for sine, this is for cos, this is for tan. Okay, easiest way to remember. Pandit Badri
Yes,
Prasad
sir.
Har Har Bole, Sona Chandi Tole. This is the easiest way of to remember. So trigonometric ratios are, these are the 6 ratios. Okay, 6 ratios
Okay.
are there, and then we have to go for trigonometric values, the table. So here I want to write the table. We'll draw a table. Always remember, look at this pattern, which pattern we are going to follow to draw the table. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, and for 90 degree. So let me draw a table. I think this space is not enough for this table. We can go for another page. This is for ratio. This is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, and 90 degree. First table value is sine. First table value is for sine, then for cos, then for tan, then for cosecant, then for secant, and then definitely last one is for cos. Now look at it. Here we take the ratio sine theta cos theta, tan theta, then cosecant theta. I think we required one more column here. So no problem, we can do it. Then after this one, sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. So values are for 0 degree, for 30 degree, for 45 degree, for 60 degree, and we required one more, it is for 90 degree. This trigonometric table will definitely help you to find out the trigonometric value. Always remember whatever the logics are there. I am giving the logics also. What is the logic behind it? Okay. Try to memorize the logic.
Okay.
Look at one basic concept I will give you. First value you have to remember. Like to memorize the first value also we have a logic here. What is the logic? Take four numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the four numbers. What is the last number you see here?
4.
Yes. Dividing with the last number for everyone. Then simplify 0 by any number is 0. It is 1 by 4. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 after simplification. 3 by 4 as it is. 4 and 4 cancel, it is 1. Then take the square root of for each and every term. Square root, square root, square root, square root, square root. Square root of 0 is 0. So square root is numerator for denominator also. Root of 1 is 1, root of 4 is 2. Root of 1 is 1, root of 2 is not possible. Root of 3 also not possible, but root of 4 is 2. Root of 1 is 1. This is your first value. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Okay, this is your first value of the table. For the next cos value, start from here. 1, root 3 by 2. This is 1 by root 2. This is 1 by 2 and 0. Now for tan, I gave you the formula. Tan theta is equal to, here I will write because it is also a formula. So here I will write tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So 0 by 1. Sin by cos, 0 by any number is what? 0 only. This is 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. These 2 and these 2 cancel like that. If you want the rough work, like that. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. This 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. 1 by root 3 is the answer. For this one, we have answer is 1 by root 3. This is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Entire value is cancelled, only 1 left. This denominator 2, this denominator 2 cancel. Root 3 by 1 is root 3 only. 1 by 0. Any number, if you come divided by 0, your answer is infinite. This is called infinity. Infinity, symbol infinity का. Cosecant theta is the reverse of sine. 0 का you see. Reciprocal of 0 is infinity और infinity का reverse 0. तो 0 को उल्टा करें तो infinity. इसको उल्टा कर दीजिए reverse. 2 by 1 is 2. This is 2. Root 2 by 1 is root 2 only. This is 2 by root 3. And reciprocal of 1 is 1. 1 को उल्टा कर तो भी 1 ही छोड़. Next, secant theta. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos. Yeah, cos. 1 का उल्टा 1 is reverse. This is 2 by root 3. This is root 2 by 1 is root 2 only. 2 by 1 is 1 only. 2 by 1 is 2 only. 0 का उल्टा होता है infinity. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. 0 का उल्टा infinity. This is root 3. This is 1 reverse is 1. 1 by root 3. Reverse reciprocal. Infinity को उल्टा करें तो 0. ये आ गई आपकी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक वैल्यू. ओके, दिस वैल्यू कौन सा भी रैंडमली क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. जैसा एग्जांपल tan 45 डिग्री. यहाँ tan है, यहाँ 45, ये वैल्यू है 1. अब आपसे पूछा sin 30 कितना है, तो sin 30 वैल्यू इज 1/2. cos 30 √3/2. sin 60 √3/2. cos 60 1/2. tan 45 डिग्री 1. cosecant 0 इज इंफिनिटी, लाइक दैट. ये वैल्यूज पूरों को अच्छा से आपको मेमोराइज कर लेना है. ठीक है. ये दूसरा कॉन्सेप्ट
Okay.
अपना ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल बोलते हैं. दिस नेम इज ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल. ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक टेबल. अब नेक्स्ट देखेंगे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी किसको बोलते हैं. लुक एट नेक्स्ट पेज. नेक्स्ट इज ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज. So there are three trigonometric identities. First one is sin square theta. आप थोड़ा सा कॉलेज में पढ़े होंगे ना, कुछ तो आइडिया है. sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Next, tan square theta minus secant square theta is equals to 1. And the last one is cot square theta minus cosecant square theta is equals to 1. So there are three trigonometric ratios. Can you read with me? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Tan square theta minus secant square theta is equal to 1. Cot square theta minus cosecant square theta is equal to 1. These are called trigonometric ratios, trigonometric identities, trigonometric table, trigonometric ratios. के बाद आप देखेंगे अपन पाइथागोरस थ्योरम क्या है.
Okay.
आप कुछ नहीं पढ़े इसका रिलेटेड.
सर मेरे बहुत सारे क्लासेस मिस हो गए.
पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. The statement is in a right angle triangle, right angled triangle, देखा मैं कौन जाके कुछ पूछे होंगे. नहीं देखा. the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other other two sides. ये किसका स्टेटमेंट है? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम स्टेटमेंट. That is, if you want to write in a mathematical language, will be AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is very important theorem. If you are going to find out angles in a triangle, like I'll give you the figure also for this one. Suppose if you have a situation like that, triangle we draw, right angle, it will be right angle like that. This is right angle. Okay, in this right angle, this is A, this is B, this is C. This is called hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse. This is angle theta. This is opposite side. This is adjacent. So square of the diagonal. Here, what is the diagonal or hypotenuse? Both are same. This square of AC. क्या बोलते हैं? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम का मीनिंग स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस हाइपोटेन्यूज इज इक्वल टू sum of the square of other two sides. Other two sides are AB and BC are other two sides. इसके स्क्वायर करें, AC को स्क्वायर करें तो इन दोनों के स्क्वायर के सम के इक्वल होते हैं. That is called Pythagoras theorem. Very important. We use in maximum cases Pythagoras theorem statement. We have to use it and we have to find out the solution. And one side of the triangle is given and other sides we don't know, then we use the Pythagoras theorem to find out the other sides also. Pythagoras theorem is very much useful to find out when one side of the triangle is given and we don't know the other sides. Use the Pythagoras theorem and we can easily find out the rest of the other angle. This angle is always 90 degree because it is a right angle. See 1 minute just to see the previous all See, these are the reciprocal ratios. Sin theta can be written as 1 by cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Similarly, cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta, comma, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Tomorrow, I will ask everything this one. If you understand and if you can give me the answer, then the class will go smoothly. Otherwise, you have a lot of confusion. There are only three major parts in mathematics. One is called trigonometry, second is called derivatives, and third one is called integration. These three are the major parts of the mathematics. Higher mathematics means integration, differentiation, and trigonometry. Okay,
Okay.
this is Pythagoras theorem. These are the trigonometric identities. This also, if I simplify, we can also write in different forms. First trigonometry ratio, if you want to solve, sin square theta. If you bring cos that side, it is becomes 1 minus cos square theta, or you keep it cos here only and bring sin that side. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. This way also we can write this one. Similarly for this one, if you want to find out the tan square theta value, this minus will go that side, becomes 1 plus secant square theta. Similarly, if you want to find out secant square theta value, okay, this minus secant square theta, so tan will go that side, becomes minus. Okay, so it will be going that side, becomes minus, and here we have a minus sign. 1 minus tan square theta, यहाँ पे एक काम करेंगे, करके बता देंगे आपको. Secant square theta is equals to 1 minus tan square theta. Because I want secant square only, so we multiply with minus sign. Minus into minus plus. Secant square theta is equal to, this minus will be multiplying with this one and with this term and also with this term. This minus into this minus becomes plus. So tan square theta we write here, and then minus we write later on. So the value of secant square theta is tan square theta minus 1. And there is one more. If you want here cot square theta value, 1 plus cosecant square theta, comma, if you want cosecant square theta value, like the second identity only, if you change it, it is becomes cot square theta minus 1. Cot square theta minus 1. So these are also the formulas of trigonometry in terms of cos, in terms of sine, in terms of secant, in terms of tan, in terms of cot, and in terms of cosecant. This also you have to remember while doing the problems. We are using this concept. अच्छा से पढ़ लीजिए आप, अच्छे से रिवाइज कर लो, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल अच्छे से देख लो. ओके,
Okay.
प्रॉब्लम करना ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है, मुश्किल तो नहीं है. जब तक आपको लॉजिक्स याद नहीं रहते तो फिर मुश्किल हो जाएगा. और एक एक कॉन्सेप्ट है छोटा सा, वो भी बताएंगे. नेक्स्ट पेज. Now look at this one. We have to discuss. This is called trigonometric complementary angles. Here I will write it heading complementary. complementary angles. आज की क्लास बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, पूरे बेसिक दे दे रहा हूँ मैं आपको, अदरवाइज डायरेक्ट प्रॉब्लम करने में आपको कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए. नाउ
Okay.
दिस साइन ऑफ 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta is equal to, in first quadrant it is, sine will be changes to cos, and similarly cos will be changes to sine. Cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. In first quadrant, sine will be changes to cos, and tan will be changes to cot. It means tan of 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta, and cot of 90 minus theta, cot of 90 minus theta is equals to tan theta. Secant value will also change in first quadrant. Secant 90 minus angle theta is equal to cosecant theta. But this concept we are using rare cases. Third concept. Cosecant 90 cosecant 90 minus theta is equals to 6 theta. 6 theta. This concept, and moreover, one more. ये भी एक लॉजिक है याद रखने के लिए. All silver teacups. All silver teacups पढ़ाते दूसरे लोग, मैं थोड़ा सा अलग पढ़ा रहा हूँ. All students take all students take coffee. All students take coffee means this is also called Q1, first quadrant. This is called Q2, second quadrant. This is called Q3, third quadrant. This is called Q4, fourth quadrant. All means all trigonometric ratios means sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, okay, and cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. All the values are positive. Okay, positive. So now here, the word here you can see starting with S means only sin theta is positive and its reciprocal. Sin reciprocal is cosecant theta, both only positive here. Second quadrant में खाली sin और cosecant ही positive रहता, बाकी के values negative रहते. T stands for tan means tangents are positive, tan theta and cot theta are positive. Rest of the all values are negative. C stands for cos means cos theta and its reciprocal is secant theta are only positive here in this quadrant. This is 0, 0 is the origin. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is x dash. This is y dash. So tomorrow I will ask you this concept. All students take coffee. Everything wherever I need. This one you have to remember. All. Yes. Get out. Students take coffee. All silver tea cups. All values are positive. This is positive. This is positive. This is positive. This is positive. And these are also positive. All values are positive. Here only sin and cosecant positive, remaining all values. कोई भी value अगर second quadrant में है, except sin and cosecant, that is becomes negative. You have to remember this logic, okay? ये पूरे कॉन्सेप्ट को आप
ओके
कल अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए आप. देन सेम टाइम वी हैव ए क्लास.
ओके
This concept is
ये
repeated again and again. Yes, anything you want to ask?
सर 11th को हम हैदराबाद में कर रहे थे,
11.
तो 11th को क्लास नहीं ले सकते शायद।
11 कब आ रहा? 11 कब आ रहा देखिए आप. कल. कल 10 है ना.
जी
ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम, 11 को ले लीजिए.
ओके